In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers on Beehiiv. Now, whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, follow along as I guide you through this process. Remember, we'll complete everything in about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll be proficient at importing subscribers with ease. First things first, let's head over to Beehiiv's website. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser and waiting for the page to load. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button at the top right. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the sign-in options. Now, to make things convenient, choose sign in with Google. It's a quick way to access your account without the need to remember another password. Once you're signed in and on your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the subscribers section. To find this, look for it in the left-hand menu, click on subscribers, and you'll be taken to a page that lists all your current subscribers. From here, our goal is to add new ones. For that, click on Import Subscribers. Now, this is crucial as it opens up more options for adding the email addresses of people you'd like to subscribe. On this page, locate the button that says New Subscribers Import. It's typically highlighted, making it easy to spot. Click on it and you'll be directed to the import page. Now, you have two primary choices here. You can either upload a CSV file or copy and paste email addresses directly. If you choose to upload a CSV file, make sure your list is well organized and properly formatted so that there are no errors during the import. For this guide, we'll look at how to copy and paste a list of email addresses. Once you select this option from the drop-down, you'll begin typing in the email addresses of your new subscribers. After entering them, ensure there's a comma or a new line separating each one for accuracy. Getting this right prevents errors and ensures all addresses are recognized correctly. When you finish typing, click Next to move forward in the process. Now, Beehiiv will prompt you to confirm the subscriber's import. Double check your list for any errors or typos, and once satisfied, click on the Confirm Subscribers Import button. This step is important for avoiding any unintended additions to your mailing list. With everything checked and confirmed, the final action is to click on Import. Beehiiv will now begin importing the subscribers onto your list. Depending on the number of emails, this might take a moment, so just sit tight. And there you have it, a seamless process to enrich your subscriber list on Beehiiv. I hope this guide has made the process easy and straightforward for you. For any questions, feel free to consult Beehiiv's Help Center, and thank you for tuning in.